Alright, I'm going to clean my headlight lens today. I'm not sure if you can see how bad this is, but this is pretty bad. This is the one I'm going to focus on using the 3M restoration kit and my Makita drill. There's an example of a bad light, and there's an example of a good light. So let's get started. Alright, this is after the second pad. I left the residue on there so you can see my methodology. I'm just going from left to right. I'm not going back and forth. So we'll see how that turns out. Alright, there's my frosted surface. I used two gold discs to get to this point. Now I'm about to move to the white sanding disc. I think it's called the 800 grit disc, and I'll probably end up using 2 on that as well. I touched this, it's fairly smooth, so I think I'm ready to go to the next step. Okay, been at it for about 20 minutes now. 2 gold discs and 3 of the white 800 grit discs I've used so far, and now I'm on to the foam pad. Not sure if this is how it should be looking, but it doesn't look that good to me, so we'll see what happens. Alright, this is the light after I used the, I think it's called a P3000. It looks like a foam disc. I did that for approximately 10 minutes. Looks much better. Alright, here's the finished product. The last step, or there was 2 steps, and one that I did not do a video from or before, and after you finish with the foam disc, you have to apply the rubbing compound. You can see the rubbing compound, and you can see I made quite a mess. So a tip for those out there that's going to use this product: don't try and use all the rubbing compound. Just use maybe 5, well, depending on the size of the headlight, but definitely don't try and use it all. I got to the point where the foam pad was just saturated with this stuff, so I ended up having to keep, trying to flush that or push that stuff into the headlight, probably for about 5 extra minutes, and then I ended up just taking a microfiber towel and manually wiping that stuff in, and you can see the rest of the residue here. So that's my tip from me to you. Then the last step is to actually take a microfiber towel, not the same towel that you've used to wipe the light off throughout the rest of the process. Take a clean towel and actually push in the protectant wax. And this is what it looks like. If you can see down here at the bottom of the light, I still got some residue. I'm a rookie, but I'll definitely take that. I think that's probably a good comparison from what it was before to what it looks like now. And if I had to rate this product, I'd probably say definitely 4 stars. I'm not sure if I could give it 5, not because of the way the light came out, but because I think they could have probably provided a little bit more support in their instruction packet, on, hey, this is what it should look like, or this is how long you should do it, or this is how many pads you should use, this is what a dirty pad looks like, or a bad pad looks like, that sort of thing. But overall, I mean, I think the kit cost $30, so I can't complain. For $30, I get a better looking light. I was actually planning on buying a new light, which with shipping and taxes would have probably cost me about $300. So we'll see how long this lasts. That's the light again, right there. And let's see. This is the other light. You can see how it looks. That light's about, I guess, 2 years old. Maybe not 2 years old, but you can see how this light looks. And that one was a brand new light out of the box. This is the light I just figured I might as well try and see how these kits work. And again, overall, I'm definitely happier than I was before. Probably in the 3rd step, it just looked like it was going to turn out to be a mess, but this is actually pretty good. Not as pretty as the other light on the right, but definitely better than it was before.